welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one's the FIBERBORNE super thin OnePlus 13 case. It is crafted from luxury 600D Aramid fiber. This ultra thin lightweight case added minimal bulk to your device while keeping it safe. Now with the full MagSafe compatibility. So yeah, with this case, it is very noticeable, body minimal, unbelievable thin and feather lightweight, dedicated craftsmanship. So this is aerospace grade 600D Aramid fiber, a material both stylish and incredible strong, commonly used in aerospace. It is 5 times stronger and thinner than steel. So I got this MagSafe wireless charger. We're gonna test it on that. So let's go and then unbox this. So be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And I would like to give a shout out to Kathy from their marketing team for sending me this. Nice case. And it is in black color. Also come with the accessory kit. So it comes with the wet wipes, dry wipes, and then the dust absorber in this package. Wow, nice. They also come with the glass. It's very thin glass screen protector. Looks like there's a fingerprint scanner as well. Then you need to peel this off. There's a plastic protective layer right here. Peel this off and then stick it on your screen. But make sure you clean it with this wet wipe and then dry wipe and dust absorber to take out any lint. Wow, very nice. Then look at the way they design it. Got the FIBERBORNE on here. And here's all the cutout. Your microphone, charging port, speaker. And right here is your volume buttons. And right here is your MagSafe. Let's go ahead and test this out. There you go. Pretty good design. It's not blocking the camera. This lip right here. So yeah, be sure to check it out. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.